All right, number 8, we want to take the numerals without multiplying and write them in the given base. So part A, we have 3 times 5 to the 4th, and then we have plus 3 times 5 to the 2nd. We want to put it in base 5. Okay, so notice how it has 5 to the 4th, 5 to the 2nd. Those are the powers, which are kind of showing you the position that those numbers are in. If you recall from an earlier problem, maybe it was 6 or so, I was talking about expanded form, and we're looking at the power of that number. So I had you kind of write a 0 above a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit numbers, since we come out to the 4th place, but there's 5 numbers, counting 0 as one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This first 1A in base 5, since it has a 4th power, that's telling me 3 is in this position. Okay, we don't even have anything to the 3rd power, so I'm going to put a 0 in this position. And then we have times 3 to the 5 to the 2nd power. So that 5 to the 2nd power is this position. So we're going to put another 3 here. And then we don't have anything in the 10s or the 1s position. So this is the number base 5 written out without actually having to multiply anything out. So we're looking for 30300. Okay, so base 12, we're going to do the same thing. It comes out another digit, 5. Okay, so it goes out to the, it would be our 1,000, 100,000ths place in base 10. So I'm going to do 12 right below it. So to the 5th power, we have that number 2 being multiplied. So 2 is going to be here in the position with the 5th power. We don't have a 4th power, so 0. And then a 3rd power, we have 8 times 12 to the 3rd, so 8 goes here. And then we don't have a 2nd power. We do have a single 12, so plus 12, which will be just 1 here. So you got to be careful. They just added a 12. Now when we count, base 12 is just one of those 12 here. It's kind of like saying 12 to the 1st power. And then we have no individual ones. Okay. So you might want to think about, I don't know, it could be confusing if you want to think about this as 12 and counting 10, you would carry 1 and leave a 2. But remember, we're counting in base 12, so we're always multiplying by a power of 12. So that 12 represents 1 in the 10s place, one whole group of 12. So this is the number that we need, 208, 208,010 in base 12. 208,010 in base 12, this one here.